There it is, guys. I finally got it in the studio. The new Rustler, the 65 mile an hour Velineon Extreme Brushless Power from Traxxas. This thing is a micro beast. I wanted to get this up on the bench and unbox it after I did a recent poll in my community section on YouTube where I asked you guys, did you want a bashing video? Did you want like a new backyard trail park video? Or did you want me to unbox this new Rustler? And I did get quite a few people that said, do the Rustler. So I figured this would be awesome because it has so much power in the winter time that I have coming up, not just in the summertime, not just in the sand and in the dirt, but yeah, I'm going to try to rip this in the snow. Unfortunately for me right now, I don't have to worry about that, but I wanted to see what I was doing in the coming months for the hobby. So I still wanted to get this unboxed. This has a super low center of gravity, so let's get into the box and have a look at it up close. Aha, right on. Blue and green, check it out, guys. So this newer model features the clipless body on here, and normally you've got 4 body posts that come up here, hold a Traxxas body on with this plastic bag, but there is no clips on this one. In fact, it's modeled a lot like their X-Max design. Look at this, turn this to the side. First time I'm doing this, so I'm assuming this is how it goes. Come on, don't make a fool out of me. There we go. I make a fool out of myself. Nice! What do you think of that? It looks like a raptor. It reminds me of Jurassic Park immediately. You know, something that would be after you in the water. So cool. I love how they have the extra sliders on top, so when you flip up on your body, I don't want to scratch my roof. So there, a little bit more protection on there. That's cool. What's on the inside? Let's get this plastic bag out of the way. Holy, that's a lot packed into a tiny chassis. Pure power. Look at this, the size of my normal X-Acto knife. This gives you kind of an idea how small this thing is. That's what she said, but still hilarious. Playing with my focus here, guys, just trying to get in, learn a little bit more about my camera, you know, as I'm going here. Pure brushless power. I want to rip this outside right now, but look how low to the ground it is. Got some good tires on there. The only reason I say that is I'm looking at the tread and the actual siping, right? Good for me is like when I get some actual traction in the snow. An all-around tire out here is good. So these are deep lugs. Looks like they are on plastic rims. Sometimes I talk too much. I just like to look at the model. And a wheelie bar on the back. You guys know as well as I do though, I gotta read some of the instructions before I take my RC out. There might be special setup instructions or anything else like that. Here is my quick start guide. Here's something important for parents. If you're looking at this for your kid for Christmas, you can select sport, race, or training mode. You can see all the definitions right there. Alright, so I have removed the stock 2S LiPo top battery plate from the car or truck. I'm going to install this secondary optional top piece right here for a larger 3S battery. And then as soon as I went to install the 3S battery, which is a simple Traxxas 5000 milliamp 3S, went to pop it in place and it's way too big. I'm surprised to see that actually. I thought this would totally fit, but as you can see there is a little bit of rubber foam at the front. I could remove this, but it's still not going to fit. So I'm going to go and use a Onyx battery. You can see right here it's a 5000 milliamp battery. This one does fit, does have a Traxxas end on it. The only thing is I noticed when I'm putting this top arm on, I still have a little bit of a gap there. Even if I go and try to change anything, I still have a small gap between the battery and the top tray. So I don't want this battery moving around, because if this happens to pop out and get onto the asphalt, concrete, anything, scrape a LiPo battery, you can have a fire. So you don't want to have that. Always want to make sure your battery's in there secure. And since I'm using a different battery, I definitely have a piece of foam to clip in there and make it nice and strong. Okay, also worth noting after I discovered this, a 2S LiPo 5800 would fit in this tray no problem. So if you are buying for a little one, or you're not comfortable yet and you just want to use a 2S LiPo, a 5800 will certainly fit from Traxxas. Put in my foam blocks, lock it in, good to go. Hey little dude, hey. What are you doing over there?
Me?
You...
Oh, I just thought I would check on this video.
Yeah, do you want to see what I got here? What do you think of this body?
Cool.
Cool?
Yeah. It looks nice and shiny.
Yeah, brand new.
What is it? What are you gonna call it?
This is called the Rustler.
Rustler.
Rustler, yeah.
Kind of like the big one.
Kind of, a little bit different. This looks like a lot like an e-Revo. We gave those away. We gave those ones away. So I have this one. It's a smaller version and packs quite a wallop. Did you want to give it a try? You could be the first one to try it.
So.
Yeah, you want to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. One, two. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Good. That'll do it. Now let's try the speed on training mode. Traxxas Stability Management is on. See how it's turning the tires by itself, Maurice?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. What it's doing is helping keeping you online. Right on. Carry it out. Toss her on the dirt. Rip it, buddy. Whoa! Nice! So low center of gravity is really made for, you know, being on the road and doing a lot of racing and track stuff. Being on the grass, look at this, he's ripping it.
It's like it's mowing grass.
It is like it's mowing grass.
This should be our new mower.
This is our new mower, I think. Good idea. I love that you're learning the faster trucks now. Yeah, it looks nice. Very, very much like a bug moving around.
Now what?
Yeah.
You want to find a way to sink like him, like a bug.
I like that. I'm teaching my son, he's got to learn somewhere, and it can't all be fast and amazing right off the bat. He's got to have his bashes and crashes, learn how these cars operate, learn what open and closed diffs are, even though there's no option on a faster car like this for that. There you go. Backing it out. Now you're learning. Good boy. Ah, the new generation. Whoa! Ah! You're here! What do you think? Do you want to take it over to the jump we had the other day? Ah! You take...
What?
That's the way to show enthusiasm.
That was awesome.
Nice. Now, do you remember? Good luck. It's okay. Throttle control. Ah, you're going the long distance. Mind of his own, this kid. Seems to be a thing.
So it's flip word escaping me. Seems low.
It does have a low center of gravity.
Thank you.
Yeah, and it is, you mean flip resistant?
As he just flipped it.
I was just gonna say, non-existent flip resistant. It does have a self-right. Oh, biffed it. Full blast, training mode. Hey, you landed on your wheels. Nice job. Hey, it even did a cat wheel. Hey, that's a cartwheel? Cat wheel. I got distracted by your hat. Cat in the hat. Good job, buddy.
Is it time for lunch? What time is
Can
it?
I rip it? Can I give her a rip?
Okay,
Yeah, that's cool.
but let's just watch.
Okay.
I'll watch.
On. I'm just going to hold in the ESC. It's going to start blinking red. So there's one blink. That's where I wanted it to be. That's on full range. Third blink would have been for training mode. So now we can go full speed. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That sounds frightening.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.
Maurice, did you get some grass in the mouth?
Now we're mowing the lawn. Let's hit that jump. Not bad, not bad.
Oh!
Oh,
That truck, that truck.
Hey, hey, Mr. Bell!
Neighbors are home.
Nice. Low center of gravity bouncing on quite a bit of those rocks, but no matter. Good speed coming out of that 3S. Did you want me to go on the Superman?
Isn't that right?
Yeah, do you want to go higher?
Yes.
Higher?
Yes.
Was that higher?
Faster.
Want to go higher?
Yes.
Faster!
Higher. All of it.
Full speed! This person...
Okay, Maurice, loud countdown.
3, 2, 1!
Ah!
Be quiet, I hear something.
Oh.
Isn't that a bound noise?
That sounds funny, you're right.
Good ear, kiddo.
Good ear, let's investigate.
That was actually, I went surprisingly high.
Look at that. So nothing's actually wrong, it's just the drive shaft. So as the car came down, it must have had quite a bit of flex in the chassis and bent this out.
Wow.
So I know everybody's like, why did you put it on the Superman ramp other than it was awesome and we went higher and higher. This thing put out a ton without getting broken. A drive shaft, we have a few of these just hanging around. So for us, it's like a $5 fix. But the result was an awesome video with our son and of course my wife Jem in the background. So thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Mauro, what do you got to say to the guys watching? Anything?
Well, thanks for watching.
Nice, well done. See you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Bump it up, buddy. Boom!
You bumped myself.
Uh-oh.
And two crackers, smush them all together, and get a cracker cheese sandwich.
That would be awesome. Did we put chips inside of the sandwich?
That's disgusting.
No, it's great, actually. You ever tried chips in a meat sandwich? It's pretty good.